What's up everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to stream Netflix on Discord without getting a black screen, using a simple setup that works on both Windows and Mac. The black screen issue happens because Netflix uses DRM protection, which blocks screen recording and screen sharing by default. The good news is you can get around this by changing a few settings in your browser in Discord. First, you'll want to open Netflix in a web browser like Chrome or Firefox, since they work best for this method. Before doing anything else, turn off hardware acceleration in your browser. In Chrome, this is found in the settings under System Options, and in Firefox, it's under Performance Settings. Once hardware acceleration is disabled, fully close and relaunch the browser so the change actually takes effect. Next, open Discord and head into User Settings using the gear icon near your profile. From there, go to the section where Discord shows your registered games and manually add your browser. This makes Discord treat your browser like a game, which helps bypass Netflix's screen blocking behavior. After that, scroll down in Discord settings to the Advanced section and turn off hardware acceleration there as well. Discord will restart automatically, and this step is very important for avoiding the black screen. Once Discord reopens, join an existing voice channel or create a private one if you want to watch with friends only. When you're inside the voice channel, click the screen share button and select the Netflix browser tab, not your entire screen. Choose your preferred stream quality, then go live. Now, switch back to the Netflix tab and start playing your show or movie. If everything was set up correctly, your friends should see the video normally instead of a black screen. You can talk, chat, and watch together in real time. Keep in mind that higher streaming quality may require Discord Nitro, and this method only works on desktop, not mobile. And that's it. That's how you stream Netflix on Discord without the black screen issue. If this helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.